Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to merge the old CSV format into the new CSV format. We talked to the guy who built the original CSV upload, and he said that it doesn't work with the new setup, unfortunately. So we used a different CSV upload, which is different, but it only takes a minute to transfer content over, and I'll show you a video of how to do that now. So as we can see here, we've got the old layout, and here we have the new layouts. So what we want to do is just copy the old columns. So I've just dragged and I've now copied them here. And I'm just going to go to the new form and just paste in. I've pasted in if you just click in the top left hand column of where you want to start from and just paste it in using right and left click. Here we can see the old columns. Here we can see the new columns. So what we want to do is just move these old columns and put them into the correct layout for the new columns. So we've got, if we start from right to left, we've got the categories. So I'm just going to get that, drag that over to the product category. So it's product category. The low and high estimates, just select those because those can move together. That is the sell price and regular price. So I'm going to move that over one here. The description is the post content. If you think of it in WordPress, you've got the content, which is the description. So I've selected that column there. I'm just going to move that over one to this one here. I'm also want to these two columns here. You see you've got post status, post status here, which is simple and published. So I'm going to drag those right down to the bottom. This is so WordPress knows to publish it and that it's a simple product. So I've just dragged those down. You can see now all of these columns are now correct. The only thing left is, you can see here, we need to make this into a proper file name, 389f.jpg, for the featured image number. So what I'm going to do, you've got 389, you've got f, and if I type .jpg here, you can say these three together make the correct correct file name. So I'm going to drag this down, this column all the way down here, match that up. So these will say the right thing now, but need to be merged together. So that's quite simple. So I'm just going to easy function on Excel. It's called consolidate. So you just click in a column here, out the way, press equal, and then type in CON, and you get the consonate tab comes up, and then you just click on the first column, and you can see it here. It shows up here. Then just press comma. Then the next column, press comma. You can see it's appearing here, and then the next column, and that's all the formula. And then you just press enter, and you can see here we now have the actual JPEG file. So if we drag that down, that then gives us all of our correct JPEG file names. Now the only thing we want to do is, because that's a dynamic formula, we want to paste that into just a text form. So I've clicked on the column, I just press copy, and here I do right and click on here where it says 1, 2, 3 in this clipboard option. That basically just means it's pasting as a simple, so it's just text now, so you can see here. So here it's a form. So I no longer need this column because I've got what I need in this column, so I can delete that. So this is the file name here. So I don't need these columns anymore, so I can delete those like that. Now this column is the actual file name, so I'll just move this over. Move this into the post title, that's going to be the name of the actual file. And lastly, I'm just going to drag the JPEGs, and then I'm literally just going to drag those into lot number. There you go. So you can see it's now all transferred correctly, and these three columns here I no longer need because they're old. So I just highlight them over here and just press delete, and there you go. We have one complete form. Featured image is the proper name. The post title is the number. This is not needed. This is the post content. If you think of this as WordPress, you've got the content, the description, the sale price, the regular price is the low and high estimate. The text product category is the category. It's a simple product and published. I just want to save that and then upload it, and I'll upload a file which I'll show you in the next video. Thank you.